Hello everyone, good afternoon, sir, madam, and all my colleagues. Today I would like to tell the best student of my class. Uh, by the way, many students, uh, all students have special for the all teachers, but someone is special for the best student because he have many qualities uh, which should which should have uh, an ideal students. uh, by the way, anyway, uh, 32 years experience teaching experience in my life. Many students came as a best students like Swati Sharma, Sandeep Dubey.
Good afternoon, sir. Today's my topic is my favorite student. All the students are equal for a teacher. No one should be discriminated by her. Nature, good habits and work skills are not same in everyone. But some students are extraordinary to others. They make they does not make their identity. They identify through their work skills, nature and good habits. Sakshi Mishra is one of them. She is the student of class 7. I am her class teacher and social teacher also. Therefore, I know very well. She is an intelligent and obedient student. She do her work quietly and listen teacher carefully. She has all good habits. She perform very well in exam and test. Her work is very neat, clean and attractive. She is regular and punctual student.
Good morning, sir, ma'am, and all my friends. Today's topic is my favorite student. I would like to say about my favorite student. I love all students, but I love Yash Verma, my favorite student. He is a very cute and sweet boy. He is regular in class. He also hardworking student, and in any he is participate in any activities. Who took in every activities. He maintained hygiene and he keep himself neat and clean. His parents are also supporting every PTM and talking about his activities and his studies. He is a very friendly and helping nature. Yeah, he is a well mannered boy. He used to class very quietly, and he is a obedient student. On Teachers Day, he gave me.
Good morning, sir, and all my colleagues. I am Jagriti Joshi. My favorite student is Nikhil Chauhan. He is a very good student. He studies in class 9th. Whenever I take period in his class, he listens very carefully and responds to every question asked by me. At the end of the lecture, and also encourage others students sitting nearby him to do so. Other than studies, he also participates in every activity. He is very hardworking. Hardworking. He also got every good marks. He is from village and from Hindi medium.
Hello everyone, I would like to share the given topic my favorite student. According to me, Rama Chawda is my favorite student. She is in class 10th. I taught her from class KG2 to 2nd. She has many good qualities. She performs stage programs, and she is a good actor, and she perform in annual function dancing, and she participate all activities in school, and her family is very supportive. then I wish
I found him a true initiator in each field, whether it could be academics or sports. And like this, after studying from us, he was promoted to morning shift. For 1 year, I taught them Hindi subject. But during this time, I noticed something different in him. Like now, he was least interested in studies, but other than this, he did all his work on time. He had practical knowledge about everything. By this time, Surajpal became his competitor, which resulted him to lag behind little bit. It might be his age or maybe his circle. His parents handled him in time, and again he focused on his studies.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all of my colleagues. Today's my topic is my favorite student. Every student is equal for the teacher. She can never differentiate in any student. She like all the students. But today my topic is my favorite student. My favorite students I like Divyanshika in my class. She is very intelligent and obedient student. She participates in all other activities, and she is a good dancer. And she is a good dancer and participate in our culture program. And she is and also participate in sports activity. She speaks very polite and.
Sir, ma'am and my all colleagues. Today my topic is favorite student in our school. I love all students and they all radiated love and joy when I am around. I tried everything to facilitate my student and make them feel happy. It is important to me they feel comfortable in my presence. I treat all equally. Being a teacher, I tough to say that which is my favorite student. Some students are just so adorable, which make them favorite one. One of my favorite student is Devansh Upadhyay from class 2nd. He is very cute and charming. His work is also completed.
Hello, I am Uttara Lad. Good morning, respected sir, madam, and all my colleagues. My favorite student of Little Angel Convent School is Srishti Mishra. She is studying in 7th class. Next year she will be in 8th class. She is an intellectual girl of our school. She does all his work at proper time, and in reading, in writing, and in learning, she is the best. She remains working every time. She is a hard worker. She has two sisters and one brother. After 3 sisters, her mother gave birth to us.
Good morning, sir and LHC staff. I am Sunita Bajpayee. I am telling you about my favorite student, Mahek Shrivastava. Her date of birth is 22nd June 1998. He belongs a small family. She has mother, father, and elder brother. Her mother name is Jyoti Shrivastava and father name is Radhesham Shrivastava. Her father is doing a job in forest department, her father working in forest department, and mother is homemaker, and elder brother is doing job in a private company. I taught her in class 11th and 12th. 11th.
Good afternoon, sir, madam, and my colleagues. Today, I would like to share about my favorite student. All the students are good for the teacher, but favorite students are those who attend the school regularly, complete their homework on time, and listen concentrately while teaching, and takes part in all the activities, and who is honest. I saw many students in the class who is honest, but Vansh Prabhari is a very honest, sincerely discipline impressed to me a lot. He listened carefully and understand each and everything taught by me. He completes his homework.
Good morning, respected principal sir and all my dear colleagues. I am Anita Rangnekar. As you know, today's our topic is the best student of LSE. So I want to share my best student, Miss Rama Chawda. Rama Chawda is the best student of Little Angel Convent Higher Secondary School, and she has just given the exam of 10th board. Her mother's name is Mrs. Rakhi Chawda and her father's name is Mr. Jitendra Chawda. He has an eldest sister named Uma, who is just coming in the college, and a younger brother named Bharat Chawda, who is studying in Little Angel College.
Good morning, sir, and all my colleagues. I am Bharti Pare. As a teacher, all students of class are my favorite student, but one of them has some good qualities, so I like her very much. Uma is my favorite student. She has many good qualities of best student. She won best student prize last year. She is very disciplined student. She follows all my instructions and also follows a strict timetable for their study. She also able to manage relationship not only.
Good morning, principal sir, madam, and all my colleagues. Today's my topic is who is my favorite student. I am teaching from last 16 years and I have taught many schools. I taught mostly 6th to 12th grades. I have been able to reconnect with a lot of my former students, many of whom left many nice memories of them in my class. After talking with them, I usually tell them that they are my favorite students. Some students really taught us new things, and some students irritate us. Recently, I had to stop and ask myself a question: who is my favorite student?
Respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my colleagues. Today my topic is my favorite student. Generally, every teacher likes every student, but students' interest in study, so teacher likes their students, but my favorite student is Manoj Chaurasia, because he is very good student and he is very good in subject study, and he lives very simple and high thinking.